Okay, this is the fourth in a series of videos that we've been making, and we have, yes, now my dog, unfortunately, Alfie, is quite interested in this stage of the process because it makes a lot of noise, and I think it drives him mad. But we've actually got the Delrin now, which is a fairly soft prototyping material, isn't it, Alf? And we're just going to make a light cut across the top of it. Up you get here, come on, so that we can see the saw in action, and also the controls in action. So hopefully if everything is working all right and Alfie doesn't leap up on the table, we should be able to see how it actually works. So first of all, we'll just switch the power on to the drive motor underneath here, which is awkward. It starts it up, and then just using the plus axis on the x-axis just to progress, just one straight smooth cut. Here we go. And if we send it back, there you go. And as you can see, we've managed to do two passes on the Delrin, and we'll just take it off and show you exactly what yes, Alfie, what we've done. Hopefully, as you can see, this isn't even clamped down. It was actually just the weight of the vise resting on the Delrin, and I don't know if you can see there. It's made a substantial cut in the material, and that's just 1-2 passes. So the progression is that we would then lower the cutting disc, and that will allow the actual disc itself to cut through the Delrin eventually. As I say, the process will be that we have the head dropping down progressively for each pass, which is then limit switched backwards and forwards. So basically, once you set it in motion and the program in motion, you will end up with cutting right the way through, at which point the program will stop. Ideally, obviously, the actual material will be clamped quite low to the bench, leaving less flex. I actually got some, it comes in rather nice colours actually, sort of mitre plane size blocks of black. Not cheap stuff, but for prototyping and for doing lots of testing such as this, it's absolutely ideal, isn't it, Alfie? Yeah? You go and have a look at the camera. Have a look. What's this over here? What's this then? Come and see. Come and see. Yes, down here, look. Yes. So what does it smell like? So that's Alfie's. We try not to get him any close to the machine as we can help it, because he tends to be a little bit inquisitive, don't you, darling? But you don't like that noise, do you? Anyway, that's the last of the videos for the moment. I think it's fairly well tested now. Put the structure together in a fixed location and start building it permanently. So the next video you see, hopefully, will have a lot more design to it. And I think I'm waiting to look to before Christmas to set up the other axes and potentially improve on it even further for milling and drilling, but that will be the next stages. Okay then, thank you very much for watching. Bye, Alf.